Crypto world, Saturday, late afternoon in the United States, and it's Sunday morning in Asia, and we're in Greenland. Now, you remember earlier in the day, as the weekend came, crypto backed off. And what's really happened is it's gone back up, and it's still on extremely light volume, and basically we had profit taking, and now it's just settling around. It doesn't mean it can't back off 1-2%, but I don't anticipate any dramatic move during this weekend. Now, there's some very important news. Now, I am surprised more people aren't talking about this. You all know that when you transfer, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, you pay a fee to a miner. And you check off the magnitude of the fee you're going to pay before you send it. Guess what? The fee has dropped 90%. The reason it's had such a huge drop is the activity on the Bitcoin network has decreased significantly. Now, this is not necessarily a bad thing. The reason I say that is Bitcoin and other cryptos are not going to be used, in my opinion, and they aren't now in a significant way as currency, particularly with these stable coins coming. So Bitcoin's attractiveness now is, if you will, as a safe haven, not as a currency. And that's why we have less activity, but it's still appreciating. And remember, the Bitcoin ETFs had a huge week. They had round number $2 billion worth of acquisitions. And that, while it didn't contribute a lot of volume, it helped the price of Bitcoin stay firm. Now, interestingly, despite the low volume in all cryptos, we know that this last week was pretty positive, and we have Bitcoin near its all-time high. And this firm, Cooper Research, says that because of the Bitcoin ETF, they see Bitcoin hitting 150K by October as a safe haven asset, not as a currency. And I want to say that for all crypto. I believe the stablecoin world is going to be huge, but it will mean that stablecoins will be used as a currency, not cryptos. So there's a little bit changing of the situation. Meanwhile, I expect, this is just my personal point of view, bottom line, I don't see much happening this weekend. I don't think we'll hear any tariff news. I don't think we'll hear anything about the crypto bill. So I don't see there any big incentive to be moving crypto at the moment. And it's on very light volume. And I want to remind people that it's unclear what's going to happen to TikTok. So please, you can follow me on YouTube. It's not hard. You just see where on my profile, you click on it, and then you're on YouTube and you can follow me. And bottom line, though, this weekend, it's peaceful. You can rest and enjoy it. I don't think we're going to see any dramatic moves either way. And sometimes the drama queen can be quiet.